Hello, everybody. How's everybody doing today? We think we have a new name for our newest member of our sanctuary. Please like and subscribe so you can stay in tune to what's coming next. Isn't she sweet? She's so sweet. We're thinking about calling her Sweetie. Yes. We found out she is a female owl. She is about 4 months old. We have her in the rehabilitation section. She is getting stronger. She's pretty cute. That's why we call her Sweetie. So that, I think, is a good name. I can better judge if you like that name. Please give us the thumbs up on it. She is our newest member. There are others to come very soon. Yes, very soon. My husband Milton will be here in a few minutes. So it's going to be good. More animals coming. More people coming to help with the animals. Yes. Soon we'll have a layout of the whole area. Yep, we will. It's going to be nice. It's big. There's already talk of more land, so we can have more space for the animals. And there's also talk of some big animals to come. I mean, big animals. I can't wait. We are so excited here. But again, meet Sweetie, the newest member of our family. Bye-bye for now. Remember, like and subscribe. And remember to share.